Laqad khalaqnal insana fi ahsani taqwim. Anda itu mulia, Anda itu luar biasa. Porsi kita nggak ada urusan dengan jabatan, porsi kita nggak ada urusan dengan kekayaan, porsi kita tidak urusan dengan popularitas, teman-teman, bukan itu semuanya. Porsi kita memberi kebaikan bagi orang lain.
Open your mind, take a look within. Are you happy with the world that you're living in? If not, you gotta change what you do. Yeah. Lately I don't see you smile a lot. Are you happy here with me and the things we got? If you can't say that it's true, it's not right, it's not right for you. If you even have to think about it, it's not right, it's not right for you. If you really have to think about it, you got one life to not what you do. If we don't do something now, then we'll never know. If we stay here too long, then we will never go. So before it's too late and it's killing you, yeah, we've only one life to live. So love what you do.